A study revealed that the honey that we consume to boost our immunity may not be as pure as it claims. As per an investigation by Center for Science and Environment and Down to Earth India, nearly all brands of honey sold in Indian markets are adulterated with sugar syrup. Reports suggest honey of 13 brands was sent to Germany for advanced testing. However, the same samples that passed in India failed adulteration tests in Germany. So, how is honey produced? The bees collect the nectar which is extracted from the flower. It is later broken down into simple sugars stored inside the honeycomb. The design of the honeycomb and constant fanning of the bees' wings causes evaporation, creating sweet liquid honey. What are the difficulties in making honey due to the shortage of bees? Exposure to toxic pesticides has declined the population of honeybees. The study revealed that until 2014-15, beekeepers would get Rs 150 per kg. However, now the rate is nearly Rs 60 to 70 per kg. The low profit margins are resulting in beekeepers abandoning beekeeping. So what is FSSAI's take? The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India has taken note of CSE's investigation on adulteration in honey. The autonomous body has said that as soon as details become available, they will be analyzed by FSSAI to draw conclusions about the protocols followed and suggest any improvements that are required in the test methodology for future. What did honey brands in India encounter while getting tested in German labs? Samples of honey from companies such as Dabur, Patanjali, Baidyanath, Jhandu, Hitkari, among many others, had all passed for C3 and C4 sugar test and met Indian standards set by FSSAI. However, when sent to a German laboratory, many samples failed on the trace marker for rice, that is TMR, and almost all the samples failed on nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, that is NMR test. This means the products were adulterated with sugar syrup. On further investigation, it was revealed that Chinese trade portals such as Alibaba, OKChem advertise fructose syrup. It means Chinese companies had sugar syrups that claim to pass C3-C4 tests. This would aid in beating the FSSAI's mandated test for purity. A few syrups also claim to pass the honey adulteration tests, namely TMR, SMR, oligosaccharides, and NMR. These glucose syrups were being exported from China into India since 2016. The study revealed there was a spike in the imported quantity to more than 4,300 MT in 2017-18. So now what's the road ahead for consumers and the government? The study suggested that government must stop importing syrups and honey from China and other countries to stop syrup laundering. FSSAI must tighten standards, testing, and also traceability. Every honey selling company should be able to track from beekeeper to the hive. The testing must also be done using advanced technologies. Consumers must be aware that the honey being consumed could be poisonous. The customers should be able to identify the honey adulteration by taste, smell, and color. It is important to demand pure honey and bring about the required changes in our food system. How to check if honey is adulterated with sugar? Here's a quick and easy test suggested by FSSAI. Add a few drops of honey into a glass of water. If the honey disperses in the water, it is adulterated. And if it settles at the bottom, it is not adulterated.